Before installing your Joie booster seat, please review your car seat instruction manual. Always remember to properly install the car seat on your vehicle seat before placing your child in it. The Duallo and Traver can be used forward-facing without the front shield for children from 15 to 36 kilograms, which is approximately 3 to 12 years old. Place the booster forward-facing on the vehicle seat. If your vehicle has ISOFIX, press the ISOFIX adjusting button to pull out the ISOSAFE connectors. Rotate the connectors 180 degrees. Locate the vehicle ISOFIX points, then attach the ISOSAFE connectors to the vehicle's ISOFIX points. Double-check that the car seat is securely installed. Place the child in the seat. The child's shoulders should be even with the bottom of the headrest. Adjust the headrest to the proper position. The seat depth can be adjusted to one of 3 positions for optimal comfort. Pull out the vehicle seatbelt and thread the belt through the belt path, ensuring there are no twists in the vehicle seatbelt. Engage the vehicle buckle. Position the shoulder belt through the belt guide. If you are installing the Duallo, open the guard surround safety panel on the side of the car seat closest to the vehicle door. To remove the booster from the vehicle, disengage the vehicle buckle, extend the ISOSAFE connectors fully, and press the ISOFIX release buttons. When using your Joie booster seat without ISOFIX connection, always secure the seat with the vehicle belt when your child is not sitting in it to ensure the safety of other passengers. For more details, please review your car seat instruction manual.
Available now at Smyths Toys Superstores.